has a first day in court. Welcome back to Mighty Race Later. We're here for a good time, not a long time, so let's get into it. Lindsey Halligan just had her first day in court as a U.S. attorney. She made her appearance in the government's case against James Comey, the former FBI director. Lindsey spent 9 years in insurance law and became a partner at a large Florida civil litigation firm. But then she met Donald Trump and was pretty quickly added to his personal legal team. Then, after his second inauguration, she became a special assistant to the president, and last month she was nominated to be a U.S. attorney. I don't want to diminish her qualifications, but she was a model and competed in Miss Colorado, and that's all Trump probably knew about her when he hired her. According to the New York Times, even Pam Bondi and Todd Blanche questioned the nomination. But Lindsey Halligan was sworn in 2 days later as an interim U.S. attorney for the Eastern District of Virginia. Except for internships at the Innocence Project and the Public Defender's Office, she doesn't seem to have any criminal legal experience. But Lindsey was immediately asked to indict James Comey and Letitia James. At her initial court appearance in the James Comey matter, there were 3 attorneys for the government, and the clerk asked them to note their appearance for the record. It's pretty standard to say, "Good morning, Your Honor, I'm so-and-so for the United States government." And that is just what the first attorney did. And then Lindsey just very quickly said, "Lindsey Halligan." The third attorney went through the whole process. "Thank you so much. I'm so-and-so for the United States government." Now, I'm going to guess she has seen a movie before, or at least she heard her colleague the second before her, and she knew how to introduce herself. My guess is that she got super nervous and spit out her name, and honestly felt weird about it later. That's how I would have acted. Hell, that's how I did act. I have tried one case. It was for a friend, and it spun from writing a letter to being in trial. Now, I had the benefit of my dad being an experienced trial attorney, and he sat next to me the entire time. But he did have to guide me to the right table when our case was called. I did get so nervous, I teared up during my opening statement. And after I objected, per my dad's orders, and the judge asked me on what grounds, I did turn to plead that he answer with an audible, "Daddy?" I wonder if Lindsey calls Trump daddy. Actually, I don't want to know the answer to that.